everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create YouTube channel from your Android phone or laptop. Open YouTube and tap on your profile icon. Here tap on this your profile logo. After that, here click on create a channel. Here you can see option, click on create a channel. After that, here add your channel name and handle and upload your profile picture. For example, this is my channel name, Atauraman Works. You can also change your channel name. After that, click on save button. Here you can see this is your channel header handle. Click on save. After that, here upload your profile picture. For example, I'm uploading this profile picture. Uh, for example, this is my profile picture. Now after that, click on create channel. After that, click on this create channel. Here you can see your channel has been created. After that, you can see this is your channel. You can customize this channel, add banner. Click on the setting button and here click on here and choose a banner for your channel. After that, you can also change your channel name and channel handle, and you can also add a description for your channel in this way. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. In this way you can create a channel on YouTube.